hope you have a great day. Today we made a dish is called the fried carrots with pork. Chinese name called 胡萝卜炒肉片 or 红萝卜炒肉片. The main ingredient we need a handful of carrots and one or two pieces of pork, 2 scallions, 1 teaspoon ginger, and those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut scallion. This scallion already washed and peeled the dead skin, so we just cut the root off. That's our middle. This we don't chop it, we just cut it like this, probably this long. Okay, we cut the ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger. We probably need 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. If you like ginger, you can cut more. If you don't like, you just cut some. And the rest of ginger you can wrap it and put the room temperature for the next few days to use. Or you can chop it to small pieces and put a Ziploc bag and froze it until you use. So all up to you. Just slice it. Then we chop it. We can cut the carrots. If you don't like the skin, you can peel the skin. You can just peel the skin. Cut this off and then slice like this. It will be like this. Then we just cut it from middle. So it will be the final look like. If you try, make sure it's just slightly thin or too thin or too wide. This is the carrots here. This meat here, any pork is okay. I just put it this thick, and then we just try to cut it, slice it, cut it as thin as possible. So the final meat will be like this. Pan stove, medium flame, pot on. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Rinse the pot. We get a piece of wheat. Yeah, the oil is ready. We added the ginger into the fry. Slowly fry until the ginger really go to smell, but don't burn the ginger. Now we add the meat into it, the pork, and fry it. and slowly fry till the fat in the meat go to the oil and there's no liquid, just the meat and fat and the oil in the pot. And then do the next step. Fry until those liquid in the pot is gone. This is water liquid in the pot until the meat or the fat come out from the meat. And slowly fry. When the liquid is gone, you see the water is gone, just the oil and the fat and meat left in the pot. Then we add the green onion scallion into it and then fry. And then fry until the scallion and has a really good smell. So we just fry the like scallion, just to fry a little well. Now we add the carrots into it. And we fry. This is the plain salt. We add a half teaspoon of plain salt to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the oyster sauce. We add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to it. Okay. Slowly fry. Okay, we add a quarter cup of water around the pot. Add a quarter cup of water and mix it. Put the lid on, just let it cook until the carrot becomes soft. It will be fully cooked. Okay, while the carrot is cooking in the pot, we don't forget to stir it so the top and the bottom of the carrot can be fully cooked. So this way we can make sure the carrots on the top and the bottom can be fully cooked. Cover it, just let it keep cooking. Cover the lid. Okay, we open the lid here. We mix it. Okay, we try the carrot. The carrot has become soft. It is so good. We'll try meat. The meat is juicy and fully cooked. We turn off the stove. So the dish is done. So fried carrots with pork, 红萝卜炒肉片. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.